We have a breaking YouTube news update, and I have it right here from the source. As of August 31st, there are no longer going to be links in the description of YouTube Shorts or YouTube Shorts comments. This is coming officially directly from Team YouTube and is posted in the YouTube community forum. So starting August 31st, links in Shorts comments, Shorts descriptions, and links in the vertical live stream feed will no longer be clickable on YouTube. This change will roll out gradually. We're also removing the clickable social media icons on all desktop channel banners, as these can be a source of misleading links. So they're updating and changing this across multiple different things here. YouTube Shorts creators, you're not going to have links that go out to affiliate or to your sponsors for your brand deals. And you also, if you're using the live stream vertical video format, which is not by itself a YouTube Short, it can be a live stream. That's going to affect you as a streamer if you're doing the strictly vertical feed videos for live streams. And then for the rest of us content creators, the social media banner links at the top of our page on desktop, that's going away as well. It's going to be replaced with something else. Now, this change has taken place August 31st, will gradually roll out for people. And the main reason behind this is there's a massive problem, as many of you are familiar with spam and phishing, and the fact that so many people can put out YouTube Shorts very quickly compared to regular long form videos like this means that that just makes more people vulnerable who are consuming that content because of its broad reach and it's the fact that it's easier and quicker to make so much of it. So that's a really important reason behind this massive change. What I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about what you can do if you need to have those income producing videos as a Shorts content creator, and about the new features that YouTube is creating to link out. Content links are going to be coming soon. We're going to talk about that. And this is going to be something that, again, I do understand how frustrating of a change this is going to be for multiple content creators. That's why I'm going to make sure that in this video, we provide you with solutions so that when this change rolls out, you're affected the minimal amount possible. Now, beginning August 23rd, according to the information I have here, I'm going to link to it in the description down below for you so you can get it from the source. Beginning August 23rd, 2023, viewers on mobile and desktop will start seeing prominent clickable links on creators' channel profiles near the subscribe button. Creators can use this space to share websites, social media profiles, merch websites, and other links to videos and content. So what this means is that you will end up getting at the top of your YouTube channel on mobile and on desktop, you'll get this prominent links, which will basically focus on being more or less a link in bio type feature. And so what this feature is going to do is this is going to allow you to have up to 12 links for your channel. These links will still have to be in compliance with YouTube's community guidelines so that you don't have spam links, phishing links, or links to fraudulent things of any kind. So you still will have to make sure you're in compliance where that's concerned. So this is very important. Now, in terms of something else that's going to be very important for connecting Shorts and other types of content on YouTube, they're going to be introducing what are called content links. And so this is going to be rolling out by the end of September. So you're going to see content links by the end of September, and you're going to see these prominent links. Basically, we're going to refer to this as link in bio. You're going to see the link in bio stuff. It's not officially called that, but we'll just call it that. That's going to happen toward the end of August, but toward the end of September, you're going to get content links. And so what this is going to do for YouTube Shorts is it's going to let you have clickable links that help creators direct their Shorts audiences to other types of content, like their long form videos, and also to other Shorts. This is also going to be allowed to connect to unlisted videos, is what I've heard directly from my contacts at YouTube, but at this time, not be connecting to playlist on YouTube, unfortunately. Maybe they'll change that in the future, maybe not. If they do, we'll update you. Hopefully that's what happens here. So YouTube giveth and YouTube taketh away. In this case, they're taking away the regular links to reduce spam and phishing, but they're also giving something in return with these content links, and you will have to update those manually in YouTube Studio when the time comes. but the clickable version of all of your other links is going to be disabled when it comes to this, and that's going to start apparently, according to the information we have here, that is going to start on August 31st. So that's something that a lot of us are just going to have to get used to. Like I said, the reasoning behind this is that it's going to protect a lot of people from spam and phishing. Here is what I feel you need to do as a content creator when it comes to your affiliate links and your brand deals. For you shorts creators in particular, this is going to be very important. Now, I want to make it clear, on regular long form videos, regular YouTube videos like this one, links in the description are not going away. The exception is vertical live streams. It's going away for that. It's going away for YouTube Shorts. So basically the vertical video formats are not going to have links in the descriptions or links in the comment section anymore. That's going away. For all content creators, the social media links at the top of the YouTube banner is going away for everybody. So that is something that is happening. Now here's what you need to do. This is going to be very important. If you're doing brand deals content, you're going to have to use this prominent link feature that they're rolling out starting on August 23rd. Okay, so you're going to need to do that. And when you do shorts, you're going to have to direct people to the link in bio, basically. So that is going to be what you will need to do if you're a short form content creator when it comes to brand deals, if there's a contractual obligation to link to something through your short form videos. Now, this is going to be very inconvenient, and brands may not be on board or okay with this. This is why it's also going to be important for shorts creators to start branching out into being multi-format creators and embrace live streams in the regular horizontal format and embrace regular widescreen horizontal videos on YouTube. It's going to be important to be something other than a purely shorts content creator. From a monetization standpoint, I would argue that it was always going to be important and that this was going to happen at some point, some way or other. So, with that in mind, what do you do about affiliate marketing and the fact that you might make a lot of money from affiliate links if you're in beauty, tech, or a product reviewer, or anything of that nature? Well, what a lot of you are going to need to do, in my opinion, is you're going to have to make companion videos that are long form that your short form can connect to through these content links so that people can get the deeper dive there. Also, when it comes to the affiliate side, if you're monetized on YouTube, you're going to want to take advantage of YouTube's affiliate program through YouTube Shopping, and you're going to want to use the tag affiliate feature there. Now, again, I feel that for a lot of you, some of the products and things you cover are not part of YouTube Shopping and their affiliate program yet, and a lot of you don't qualify for the YouTube Shopping affiliate program. I did a whole video on that. You need 20,000 subscribers to qualify for that, and right now it's only US creators. So for affiliate marketers on YouTube, anyone using affiliate links, this is going to be devastating. I don't want to downplay it. I know it's going to hurt you. What I would advise you to do is to make long form videos that can be a bridge from the short form content you're using to this long form, where you still have all the links in the description and all those options. I also am going to tell you, if you're using affiliate links, you can still use the YouTube community tab for those affiliate links, and you should be using it for those affiliate links anyway. And I would tell you to use these on a weekly basis in order to be able to monetize your audience through affiliate links. The Amazon Influencer Program for affiliate links is great for a lot of you because it covers a wide gamut of products. For some of you, you could be using other links. There are a lot of things. Big box stores like Target and Best Buy and Walmart have affiliate links as well. Some of you do software like how I do with like TubeBuddy and Kajabi. You could be using affiliate link promotion in the community tab on a weekly basis, in addition to using all the other community tab features. A lot of you are not using the community tab enough. You can still make money with the affiliate marketing, and it won't even cost you a video. So I would encourage more of you to do that and not be discouraged by these changes and just use the other options, even if it's inconvenient for you. If you have questions about the community tab and a strategy around that, if you want me to do a deep dive video where I can do a deep dive and a tutorial around the community tab, let me know questions you have in the comment section. If If you have further questions about these changes to YouTube, get those to me in the comment section and we can cover them. I can talk about them in a live stream. I can cover them and answer those questions in the community tab. I can even make a follow-up video around the major changes on YouTube right now, so that if any of you are frustrated, you have anxiety about it, we can talk about it, we can get you taken care of, we can answer your questions. In general, I think this change in the long run will protect viewers and users, but I think it just dramatically inconveniences content creators. You've been making YouTube shorts for 3 years now, since the very beginning. You've made thousands of videos. This is gonna undermine you, and you might have to go back to your most successful videos that are getting views right now. You might have to update those videos. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. You're gonna have to do that, and you're gonna have to do that manually going forward once this change rolls out on August 31st. And that's not gonna be fun for a lot of you. It takes away time from making the content that you and your audience love. So I understand that. I would encourage you to make your preparations now and to think about this going forward and to build your strategies around it. And what I will try to do is answer any and all of your questions that I can. A lot of you can follow me over on Twitter, which has now been rebranded to the X app. Change happening all around, change and chaos all around for us creators. So you could go ahead and follow me on Twitter /x.com at Roberto Blake, and I will answer your questions in real time. I will try to answer some of them in video format. Some of them I will send you a quick text reply, and we'll try and get you squared away. Final thoughts around this issue. Final thoughts around this issue in this update. Tackling spam, phishing links, and fraud on YouTube is a big deal. It's a big priority, and YouTube is right to prioritize and tackle it. There are consequences for addressing those problems, and one of them is that creators will be inconvenienced in some way, shape, or form. However, I do think that these features will have a lot to offer, and in the long run, with the right strategies, can benefit creators going forward. I don't like when things are taken away from creators, but this is something where it's not being taken away without a supplement to replace it. YouTube giveth, YouTube taketh away. I also would remind all of you, as I always encourage, use multiple platforms, build your own email list, build your own website where you control what the experience is for your community. Build an off-platform strategy for monetization and also for having the access to your community and also controlling the experience. Anyway, that's it for this update. Like I said, if you have questions, leave them in the comment section. I will answer as many of them as I can. You can also hit me up on Twitter. And as for what you can do after this video, might be worth watching some of my videos of other ways to monetize on YouTube. Stay awesome, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.